going green. Keep growing, keep fighting, don't lose your way. Keep digging, keep striving day after day. In the garden we find our strength, our core. Keep growing through it all. Keep growing, keep fighting, don't lose your way. Keep digging, keep striving day after day. In the garden we find our strength, our core. Keep growing through it all.
Welcome back to the Keep Growing podcast, your weekly guide to thriving in the garden here in the Mid-Ohio Valley. I'm your host, John Morgan, and today we're diving into week 18, covering April 26th to May 2nd. This is a fantastic time to get your hands dirty, with the last quarter moon on April 27th setting the stage for some prime planting. Let's break down what you need to do this week to keep your garden growing strong. Grab a notebook and let's get to it. Alright folks, let's start with the lunar calendar, because timing matters in the garden. On April 27th, we've got the last quarter moon. This phase is perfect for planting seeds and transplants, as the moon's gravitational pull supports root development. So if you've been waiting for the right moment to get those crops in the ground, this is it. Let's talk about what to plant this week. First up, ground cherries. These little gems are like nature's candy, sweet, tangy, and wrapped in their own little husks. Now's the time to sow those seeds directly in the garden. Make sure your soil is well drained and you've got a sunny spot. Space them about 2 feet apart and don't skimp on the compost. These plants love rich soil. Next, you've got options for parsley, lemon balm, fennel, and onions. You can either sow seeds directly or pop in transplants if you've got them ready. Parsley and lemon balm are great for herb gardens, and fennel adds that lovely anise flavor to your dishes. For onions, I recommend sets or transplants for quicker results. Just make sure your soil is loose and fertile, and give them a good watering after planting. Oh, and don't forget fingerling potatoes. Those are the perfect spuds for roasting. Plant them about 4 inches deep and 12 inches apart in rows. If your soil's on the heavy side, mix in some sand or compost to keep it loose for those tubers to grow. Now let's head indoors for a quick task. Tomatillos. These are the big cousins of ground cherries, the stars of salsa verde, and they need a head start. Sow those seeds in trays or pots under grow lights or in a sunny window. Keep the soil moist but not too soggy, and aim for a soil temperature around 70 degrees Fahrenheit for good germination. By starting them now, you'll have sturdy transplants ready to go outside in a few weeks when the weather's warmed up. Alright, before we wrap up, let's talk about the weather forecast. Coming out of some heavy rain yesterday and overnight, we're looking at a damp Saturday with a continued chance for rain. Tonight is going to be chilly as temperatures dip into the lower 40s. We'll be keeping our eyes peeled for any frost advisories. Sunday, things are going to turn sunny as we warm up heading into next week. It looks like our next chance for rain will come mid to late week as we finally settle into a more moderate springtime weather pattern. And that's your game plan for week 18, folks. To recap, plant ground cherries, parsley, lemon balm, fennel, onions, and fingerling potatoes. Start tomatillo seeds indoors. And don't skip turning that compost pile. The last quarter moon on April 27th is your cue to get moving, so make the most of it. As always, I'd love to hear how your garden's coming along. Drop me an email at keepgrowing@bobsmarket.com or tag Bob's Market on social media with your planting pics. If you're loving these weekly tips, leave us a review. It helps other gardeners find the show. Until next week, keep learning, keep those hands in the dirt, And of course, keep growing.
Keep growing, keep fighting, don't lose your way. Keep digging, keep striving day after day. In the garden we find our strength, our core. Keep growing through it all. Growing through it all. Growing through it all.
Copyright 2025, Bulbs Market and Greenhouses, Incorporated.